What's up guys, welcome back to another, you guessed it, drawing tutorial. So this is a Patreon request from Drake. Ralsie, Kris and Suzie. This is Undertale, right? Yeah, 3 characters. Very simple style, this one. So we're going to attempt the full bodies of it because I wanted to get in the sword of the middle character. So we got to go down to feet, but it's all drawn very simply, so we could probably do it. So landscape page, pencil eraser, pause if we go too fast. I'm going to start with the center one, and this is probably Kris. So I'm not sure. I've never played Undertale, so no idea. But I've watched people play it. So let's go. And I'm going to start with the hair spike right here. It's kind of in the middle center of my page there, kind of above halfway a little bit. Can't see any eyes or anything. It's just shadow under there. So we'll start with this curving hair spikes. Looks like that a little bit. And then we seem to have another one this side, like the fringe, and then perhaps here as well, but it's not clear. But it looks kind of like that, I think. Then we basically have the face shape, right? So it's kind of like just a wine glass sort of face shape. No eyes, just shadow under there. And then a very small, flat, mouthy mouth. Like so. I assume there's a neck in there somewhere, so I'll do one. And then a long cape coming along the neck. I'm doing the cape, the collar of the cape first, just because the hair kind of seems to come down around it. It looks like, anyway. And so then, yeah, there's like hair spikes. Kind of this way. And then it goes up. Kind of a flat head. Down. Like so. Right, so then this kind of cape thing comes real long. It's got some like chunks taken out of it. It's tattered and ripped and stuff. A little hole in there. And then the other side. So, armor. There's no like details on that armor, but maybe something like that might help. And then just like long legs. And there's like a shoulder pad here. And then an arm. And then a gloved hand. Very simply drawn. Like that. The other one. There. Top of that glove. And then we'll move down. Side of the glove. We can just see the hand sort of, it's like a mitten sort of. More than, you know, there's no fingers really. There's like a base of a sword here. Right, and then like a boot, real pointy. So say the other side, like to do this kind of thing for the boot, basically like a triangle. Or a slice of pizza. And then we get a big sword. A bit more of that cape on this side too. Okay. So we do the big one up here with the axe. So again, no eyes or anything. Kind of looks like a dog. It has like a snout, or maybe a horse or something. I don't know. Hair spike here. And this comes over the eye area. Right, it's like the fringe, back of the head. Right, more hair down this side, long hair. There's like a shoulder pad, just at the bottom of the hair here. Right, we'll finish the face. So again, long snout, like there's some freckles there, and then there's just like a black shadow in here. And then the bottom of the chin. And nose. Nostril. Neck, just there. And then a bumpy sort of collar. And then there's like a long jacket hanging down. This shoulder pad seems to have metal circles. What do you call them? Studs. And then we go this way for the jacket on the other side. And we got a bit of a belly and a belt. There's like a gold buckle in there. And then one knee is up. And the other one just down normal. And again, very pointy booty style boots. Right, so the other arm. So we got like the axe coming into the hand here. So say from the mouth, right, we'll go the axe coming out. The handle of it. And then there is a thumb. And then some fingers. Ruler may be helpful just to get this going the right direction. Like that, and there's a forearm line. And then the elbow is kind of round, not majorly realistic or anything. It's just sort of cartoony round limbs. And then collar here, shoulder pad slash collar with metal studs on it. And then the axe comes out like it's behind the head. It's quite big up the top, so it goes like back there first. And then it's kind of hooks itself down roughly to there. And that's Susie, maybe. Maybe. Right, so next is like a witch type character. So start with the scarf, it's probably the easiest. So just get at the sort of height of this character's neck as well. She's basically like covered in a cloak. With a love heart. right? And then, so there's a witch's hat, right, which comes across diagonally this way, and there's some hair. She's all black inside, but we gotta draw, so like the glasses are drawn with color, which is tricky for us, but we'll do our best. So the hat comes across here, right? And then the head seems to be furry. And then the eyes are white, so I'll just do that. So like everything in here is just black, but the glasses are drawn with a green line. So if you wanted to, color, so like to draw it in, I guess we got to draw them first. So, and then we can leave a sort of a little white line when we color. So the glasses basically, we have to draw them with a line first. Kind of like that, right? But these are actually green. There's like a little nose line that's kind of pink, right? So when you're coloring her face, that'd be all black, but then your lines for your glasses will disappear, you know? So if you're going to color black around, you want to leave a little bit of white as you color around, but you'll see that at the end when I color everything. But just give you the heads up. And then this goes that way. And goes into there. Little devil horns here on the hat. That pink thing back here. Is that part of her? Oh, it's her scarf. Hat thing goes up and down. And then her scarf seems to wrap around here. And then we got pointy shoes again. Like so. And then if you want, like, you can do some of these twinkle stars that are around it. Boom. There you go. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support on Patreon. Drake. See you next one. Bye.